The current Fat Bob platform first rolled in late 2017 around the time when the MoCo retired its aging Dyna platform in favor of the second-generation Softail chassis. The Fat Bob is one of the few bikes that made the cut as the factory looked to consolidate around its most popular designs while giving the axe to the rest. The Harley-Davidson Fat Bob 114 produces 100.5 horsepower and 118 pound-feet of torque. Best of all, the grunt tops out at a low 3,000 revolutions per minute. The Milwaukee 8 114 powers this newest generation of HD's latest big twin lump that has a smaller sibling. Gassers were all about performance, so the larger engine size was the right move here. The fat hoops are yet another old-school custom item that pairs nicely with the copious blackout treatment found throughout. Inverted forks lend it a sporty air with blackout coverage of its own to go with the monochromatic headlight housing and triple tree. An LED light bar joins with blackout bullet housings on the fender and struts. The tag mounted off to the left side doesn't clutter up that clean rear end. The chassis on the Fat Bob contributes quite a lot to the looks. Because it's a Softail, the frame geometry is similar to the ones in early 40s when rigid rear ends and hydraulic front ends overlapped. The cockpit is similarly dark with black risers, handlebar, mirrors, and bullet turn signal housings. Even the tank mount instrument console and filler cap come shot in black, which is a great place for it. The 3.5-gallon fuel tank carries a classic teardrop profile with contrasting paint panels on the side. It really makes it pop against the backdrop of the trio of sheet metal colorways for this year. A deep scoop seat cradles the pilot's bum at 27.7 inches off the deck, providing you weigh at least 180 pounds to get the suspension properly compressed. Rake and trail measure 28 degrees and 5.2 inches respectively for more custom looks and stable handling, even in blustery crosswinds. The 2023 Harley-Davidson Fat Bob 114 costs $18,899.